Hello my dear students. So in this video we are going to solve our questions of exercise 3a. Okay. So our first question is, using the prime factorization method, find which of the following numbers are perfect squares. As in the introduction video, we learned how to calculate how to find out whether the number is a perfect square or not, and you know very well the factorization method. Clear? So our first part of the question is 441. We need to check whether it is a whether it is a perfect number or not. So 441. By 3 we can divide it 147 times, then 3 again 49 times, then by 7 times, and 7 1 time. So when we write the factors, so it is 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Clear? Now we are making the pairs, right? So 3 into 7 is equals to 21. So 441 is a perfect square because there is no there all the pairs are there and nothing is left over. Clear? And here 441 is a square of 21. Clear? Now coming to the second part of the question, that is 556. Same procedure, 556 के factors. So by 2, 288, then by 144, then by 72, 36, 18, then 2 से गया 9 time, 3 से 3 time, and 3 से 1. So factors will be like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. As you can see that all the numbers are having the pairs. So 2 ka pair, then again 2 ka pair, then again 2 ka pair, then 3 ka pair. So it will be 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. When we multiply it, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So here the 576 is the square of 24. Understood? Now coming to the next part, that is 11,025. Okay, so 11,025, it is divisible by 3. So 3 6 7 5 times, then again by 3 1 2 2 5, then by 5 245 times, then by 5 49 times, then 7 से गया 7, and 7 ones are 7. So we write the factors 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So फिर से we are getting the pairs. No number is left over. So 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 5s are 15. 15 7s are 105. Tables learn कर लो. Table learn नहीं है, हाँ? Then 1176. So here in the previous question, 11,025 is a perfect square, and it is a square of 105. Clear? Now coming to the next part, that is 1176. So by 2 we will divide by 588 times, then again 2 294, then by 2 147, then 3 से 49 times, 7 से 7 time, then 7 से 1 time. Okay, when we write 2 into 2 लिख दिया. अब then again 7 into 7, but 2 and 3 are not having the pair. Okay, if 2 and 3 is not having the pair, it means that it is not a perfect square. I told you that whenever any factor is not having a pair, this shows that the number is not a perfect square. Clear? Now coming to the next part, that is 5625. Okay, 5625. So 3 से गया 1875, then 3 से 625, then 5 से 125 times, then 5 से 25 times, again 5 से 5 time, and 5 से 1 time. Then we make the factors pair. So 3 into 3, 5 into 5, 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 5s are 75. So 75 का square is 5625. Clear? Now coming to next part, that is 9075. तो फिर 3 से 3025, 5 से 605, 5 से 121, then 11 से 11 times, and 11 का 1. So 3 is not having any pair, but 5 is having and 11 is having. I told you that whenever the factors is not having any pair, that means the number is not a perfect square. In this case, 3 is not having any pair, so 9075 is not a perfect square. Clear? Now coming to the next part, that is seventh part, 4225. So 5 से किया तो 845, then again by 5 169, 13 से 13 times and 13 से 1 time. So 5 into 5 and 13 into 13. So we are getting both the pairs. So 5 into 13 हो जाएगा, it will be 65. So thus 4225 is the square of 65 and it is a perfect square. Clear? Now last part of this question, that is 1089 by 3 363 times, फिर 3 से 121, फिर 11 से 11 and 11 से 1 time. We are getting the pairs 3 into 3 or 11 into 11. So 3 into 11 is equals to 33. So 1089 is a square of 33 and ultimately 1089 is a perfect square. Understood? So I hope you understood this question. This is a very easy question. You just need to calculate the factors, and two main things you just need to remember, that if all the factors are having the pair, then the number is a perfect square, and if any factor is not having a pair, then it is not a perfect square. इतनी सी बात ध्यान रखनी है बस, and you are ready to solve the question like a pro champion. Understood? Now coming to the second question, that is, show each of the following numbers is a perfect square. You have to read the question very carefully. What they are saying you need to show. Whenever they are asking that you need to show, it means that it is already proved. You need not to check it, you just need to show it. Okay, so show each of the following numbers is a perfect square. It means all the numbers are perfect square, but you need to show it how it is a perfect square. In each case, find the number whose square is the given number, but we need to find out the number whose square is that perfect square. Understood? Like 1225 है तो 1225 किसका स्क्वायर है वो we need to check out. Okay, so moving further, first part, same procedure by doing the factors. So 5 से गया 245 times, then again by 5 49 times, then 7 से गया 7 times and 7 से 1 time. So 5 का pair मिला and 7 का pair मिला, so 5 into 7 is equals to 35. So ultimately 1225 is the square of 35. So 35 is the answer. Clear? Now second, 2601. So I asked this question in the quiz, that is 2601 is a perfect square. Some of you answered that no, it is not a perfect square because it seems like a prime number. But you remember this thing, that don't see and decide or judge that it is a prime number or not. Just check it by doing it. Okay, in exams there is you are just trying to write the things fast है ना, तो you are not able to think at that time properly. Don't think like this कि अरे ये तो prime number लग रहा है and you will just tick the answer. Don't do this. Okay, in this type of questions just check it once. Okay, because अभी अगर ये आदत है then exam में तो और ज़्यादा होती है. Understood? Because exam pressure is very important at that time and वो बहुत ज़्यादा trouble create करता है. Now coming back to our question, that is 2601. So 2601 का 3 से गया 867 times, then again 3 से गया 289 times, 17 से गया 17 times and 17 से गया 1 time. So 3 is having a pair and 17 is having a pair. So 3 into 17 is equals to 17 3 से कितना होता है 51. So 2601 is a square of 51. Okay, you have got the answer. Now coming to the third part, that is 5929. 7 से 7 से गया 847 times, 7 से गया 121 time, 11 से गया 11 time, फिर 11 से गया 1 time. So 7 into 7, 7 का pair we have got and 11 का pair we have got. 7 into 11 is equals to 77. So 5929 is a square of 77. One more thing, in these type of questions अगर 77 cross check करना है कि like our answer is correct or not, so just you can try one thing. 77 into 77 when we will do, तो 7 का 7 में multiply करेंगे तो 49 आता है ना. Like at unit place you will get the 9 digit. So here 9 is there. So like this you can just confirm it on a short note कि your answer is correct or it is not correct. Okay, now coming to the next part is 7056. So 2 से गया 3528 times, then again 2 से गया 1764 times, then 2 से गया 882 times, then 2 से गया 441 times, then 3 से गया 147 times, then again 3 से गया 49 times, and 7 से गया 7 times, 7 से गया 1 time. 2 का पेयर है, अगेन 2 का पेयर है, अगेन 3 का पेयर है, 7 का पेयर है. सो 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. ठीक है, सो इट विल बी 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12, 12 7 ज़ा कितना होता है 84. टेबल लर्न कर लो, अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू 84. सो 7056 is the square of 84. Hence it is a perfect square, as we all know. Now coming to the next part, that is fifth part, 8287. So 7 से गया 1183 times, then again 7 से गया 169 times, then again 13 से गया 13 times, and 13 से गया 1 time. So 7 into 7 7 का pair, and 13 into 13 13 का pair. So 7 into 13 is equals to 91. Clear? So 8281 is the square of 91. So here till now we have solved two questions, and the first question was to check whether the number is a perfect square or not. That we have done through factorization method, and in second question also, but they have told that these all are the perfect square. You just need to tell the number, and you just need to show it whether show the procedure how it is a perfect square. Okay, I hope you understand these two questions very well. Thank you.